I tried this America's Test Kitchen recipe because the roasted beets look so good. Let's see how we do. Welcome to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make roasted beets with lemon tahini dressing. And I saw this on an episode of America's Test Kitchen, and this is fantastic. I'm trying to do it just like they did. I'm not stealing it, I'm borrowing it, I'm testing it. We're gonna see how we do on it. Pretty simple ingredients. I'm only going to talk about the beets first, and then we'll talk about the dressing and what's in it later. All right, so I've got 2 pounds of beets. These are fresh, these are red beets, and then we got about a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. We'll have 2 smashed garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 bay leaves, and about 12 sprigs of thyme. The chives and these toasted sesame seeds will be for later. We'll talk about the dressing when we get ready to make that. I'm gonna cut the ends off. And some people wear gloves for this because these will stain you. Some people hate beets. It's kind of like cilantro. You either love it or you hate it. And it's the earthy taste, and I forget what it's called. There's some protein or enzyme in it that makes them taste like that. Dirt. No, it's not dirt. It's like geosin or something like that. It's not dirt. It has all kinds of antioxidants. They're absolutely super healthy for you. And what I didn't mention is we will put in 3/4 cup of water into the 9x13, and we're going to cook these at 450 for an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. So you could wear a glove or a couple of gloves if you wanted to while you're working with these things, because they will stain your hands a little bit. All right, so we're looking at about 1/2-inch slices. And then we're just going to put them in our approximately 9x13 pan, which is what this is. We're going to put the water in, 3/4 cup. Essentially going to steam them in the oven to begin with. Just smash these 2 garlic cloves and put them in just like that. "12 sprigs of thyme. 2 bay leaves, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. We get the foil on here, nice and tightly. Let this steam, and she's ready to go in. All right, so it's been about 1 hour 10 on this. Let's go ahead and pull them out and have a look at them, uncover them, and put them back in for 15 to 20 minutes, and they'll be done. All right, let's see what we got. We know they're still steaming because there's steam coming out. Ah, look at that. And we are done steaming them. And all we're gonna do is put them back in. And now we're gonna actually brown them, okay? And this is gonna be so good. I promise you this is gonna be absolutely tasty. All right, here we go, back in the oven. 15, 20 minutes till all that liquid's gone, or most of it, and they're browned. All right, so I've kept looking at them, and it's taken almost 30 minutes to I wanted to get all the juice out and get a nice little brown on them, and I think they're finally there. It's time to take them out. We're gonna let them rest, cool down for 20 minutes. Ah, look at those. That looks fantastic. Of course, we'll take all the herbs off, let them rest, and while they're resting, we'll make the lemon tahini dressing. Historically, only the green tops of beets were consumed. Some say that in the 2nd and 3rd centuries, beetroots began to be eaten by the Romans, but others disagree and say that the beetroots were first eaten in Germany and Italy in the 1500s, much later. Beets became popular throughout Europe, being pickled in England and eaten with oil-based dressings in Southern Europe. Thomas Jefferson planted them at Monticello. And today we are roasting them and finishing them off with a delicious dressing, sesame seeds, and chives. All right, so while we're cooling these down, we're gonna go ahead and make the lemon tahini dressing. And we need 3 tablespoons of tahini, We're gonna put the tahini in here, which is essentially like a sesame seed butter, like peanut butter. It's a sesame seed butter. Very tasty. Okay, we got a little bit of salt, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, about a teaspoon of minced thyme, fresh thyme, and then 1 minced garlic clove. We're going to mix that together, and our dressing is ready. And look at this, this is tightening up nicely. The water with the oil gives you the emulsion, which is what you're looking for, like you would have in a salad dressing. Now, all we need in here is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and we're gonna do that. It may be 1 lemon, it may be 2, I don't know. Maybe 1.5, we'll see. We're just gonna do this. Thus, the lemon tahini dressing. Okay, I think that that's probably 1 tablespoon right there. That's pretty close. And here comes 2. This is gonna add a nice, fresh, lemony taste. And there's the acid, which was, look at that. Look how thick that became now. There we go. Okay, it's time to plate. In this dish, the dressing goes on the bottom. So we just line that down like this. These are toasted sesame seeds. We're just gonna chop off some chives right here. That is done. That is roasted beets with lemon tahini sauce. And now we're gonna taste it. All right, we're gonna taste one of these. Make sure we get the sauce. Oh my. All the flavors that are in there. The beets, you know what, they almost don't even taste like beets completely. I mean, they have the beet taste, but there's a sweetness to them. And then you've got the tahini sauce, the sesame seeds, and it's just completely deep flavor here. Have a taste of this, you ready? Are those not the best beets you've ever eaten in your life?
That is not what I expected.
No.
I don't know what I expected.
This is an incredible recipe.
This exceeds all expectations.
I'm telling you, this is delicious.
That's amazing.
It's amazing. Hey, if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. That helps my channel. Tell me where you're from. Make a comment, say a comment, write a comment. I'll respond back to you. And I'll see you next time on
While You're in the Kitchen.